Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device, so how to remove it or how to add it. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find accounts and backup. Now we have to tap on manage accounts, and as you can see here we've got two different Google accounts added. So firstly let me show you how to remove it. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see it actually immediately disappears. Let me do it again in order to show you. Just tap on it, tap on remove account, remove account. If you are sure, tap on OK. And as you can see here we have to identify ourselves, so probably this account was set as a default one, so just identify, so just using your fingerprint or entering the pattern pin or password. And as you can see the Google account simply disappeared, so it means that we just successfully removed it. So right now we can actually add new ones, so just tap on add account, choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it. Just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.